Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Pluck CMS on Debian version 11.3. Pluck is a CMS written in PHP. It is a open source that allow you to create unlimited blog pages and albums. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next I am download the Pluck CMS by following commands. Next extract the Pluck CMS. Next I move to the extracted file to the Apache home directory. Next change the permission to the CMS directory. Next change the ownership to the CMS directory. Next create the virtual host for the Pluck CMS. Enter the virtual host server name and document root directory. Then save and exit. Now disable the default virtual host file for the Apache. Now make the host entry for the local domain. Enter the IP address and server name. Now enable the virtual host. Next enable the read write module for the Apache. Then restart the Apache web server. Then go to the browser and ping the domain. This is the home page of the Pluck CMS. Then go to start the installation. Choose the title for the website. Enter the mail address. And enter the password. Repeatedly enter the new password. This is the page after you will create the content. So enter the title, then save. This is the final dashboard of the Pluck CMS. By this, the installation of the Pluck CMS on Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.